Hello. In previous videos, you looked at the impact that digital media has had on traditional media. In this video, we're going to look at something called the digital divide, meaning the way that some people around the world can easily use technology, such as cell phones and the internet, and others cannot. We'll explain how this digital divide occurs and talk about why it is important to bridge the gap, meaning to create a situation where everyone can use digital technology. The digital divide can refer to differences within a country, between a city and out in the countryside, for example, or it can refer to the differences between developed and developing countries, something that we call the global digital divide. Because so much information is sent digitally via the internet, the people on the wrong side of the divide are missing a lot of the news going on in the world. Let's look at some of the reasons why the divide occurs. 1. Infrastructure. 2. Equipment. And 3. Literacy. Don't worry, we'll explain these 3 words later. The biggest reason for the digital divide is infrastructure. This means the basic structures needed to run a society. In digital media terms, this means cables, wireless networks, and cell phone coverage. Because these can be expensive to create, not everywhere is covered by this kind of infrastructure. Another reason for the digital divide is equipment. Hardware, such as laptops, tablets, and cell phones, is expensive, and so not everyone can afford it. Technology changes so quickly that older models can no longer be used. A third reason is digital literacy. Literacy means you can communicate by reading and writing. Digital literacy means you can communicate by using technology. This means knowing how to type on a keyboard, knowing how to use a mouse or a touchscreen, and knowing how to use all the programs that allow people to communicate digitally. If people cannot use technology, then having enough infrastructure and equipment will not help them. So, why is it important for societies to try and bridge the digital divide, meaning make it more possible for more people in a society to use digital technology? There are 2 main reasons: economic and social. What can you do if you do not have digital technology? You can read a newspaper, watch TV, or listen to the radio. However, you can't participate in the ways we've talked about in earlier videos: writing a blog, sharing a post or photo, etc. People who are able to use this digital technology have a better chance of avoiding poverty. And it is better for the country too, because digital technology doesn't use so many natural resources, like coal or gas. There are social advantages too. People who can use digital infrastructure can read the news about health, careers, and entertainment more easily, as more and more information is put online. People can also access civic services, such as the police or an ambulance, more easily if they are digitally connected, and journalists can write about them more easily. So, in this video, we looked at the digital divide. We saw that it is caused by lack of infrastructure, equipment, and digital literacy. Bridging the gap can bring economic and social benefits to a society. Next, you're going to read an article all about the digital divide.